Hey homeowners, kumusta? I hope that despite your very busy schedules, you're still able to find some time off, relax, go on vacation, or staycation together with your family, your friends, or even yourself. Kaya naman, speaking of staycation, nagiging popular na rin ngayon ang Airbnb for those people who are looking into places for them to rent out for their staycation plans. Marami na rin ang nagnenegosyo through Airbnb rentals. That's why if you have a property or if you are planning to invest into a property and turn it into a business, it's actually a pretty good idea to enroll it in Airbnb. Kaya naman ngayon, we will help you out to become an Airbnb superhost and transform your apartment, unit, or space to become Airbnb worthy. I've got 4 words for you guys to remember: construction, comfort, conviviality or friendliness, and convenience. Actually, it's 4 C's, kaya naman it's pretty easy to remember. Dito muna tayo sa backbone of it all, construction. First, you want to construct your home to be very pleasing to the eyes. The best way to sell the look of your home is to choose an aesthetic and stick to it. Sometimes, guests look for a themed home, so use it to your advantage. For example, you live by the beach. People will likely stay at your apartment for that, so you might want to stick to a tropical theme. Make sure that every aspect of your apartment is complete and functioning. Place the appropriate furniture in different areas of the house and decorate it accordingly. Before moving on, make sure to watch till the end of this video to know this week's prize, because who knows, you might be our next lucky winner. Of course, it's very important to consider the comfort of your guests. The moment they step into your property, you would want them to feel at home right away. Place the appropriate furniture in different areas of the house and decorate it accordingly. Start by setting a friendly tone. Try placing a welcome message alongside an eye-catching drink or dessert, or even a gift. The moment your guests step into the property, you want them to feel at home right away. After every rental, make sure housekeeping will be done. Or if there's a long interval between rentals, make sure maintenance is done at least once a month. Fresh sheets, pillowcases, towels, and other similar items should be placed for each time there's a new guest. Conviviality in simple terms is fun. Of course, you gotta hook your place up with Wi-Fi. This is important not only for entertainment, but for contacting their loved ones. Make sure your TV is set up with cable or some streaming services. Board games and card games are great to have too in your guest house. Last but not the least is convenience. Do everything that you can to give your guests the convenience. Simple things like keeping your lines open if in case they have questions or any inquiries is a big plus for them. Have refills of items that can easily be consumed, like drinking water. Your kitchen should have the essential cooking tools, items, and dinnerware. Parking space or a garage is also a big plus. Sometimes guests will have their own car. If they don't, make sure transportation is accessible to them or let them know how they can get to places like the nearby tourist spots, market, and more. So there you go. Congratulations in advance, homeowner, as you're on your way to become the Airbnb superhost. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell for you to be updated all the time if ever we are posting new videos. And don't forget as well to like our Facebook and Instagram pages. Till next time, homeowners. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize.